Hello everyone. In today's video I'll show you how to buy shares using the Fidelity Bank app in Nigeria. So stick by till the end of this video since I'll show you the entire process that you need to follow in order to buy shares. So first of all, on your web browser that you're using, you need to search www.fidelitybank.ng. This is their original website. If you want to visit this, you can go ahead and visit this, but I will directly link you to the website that you need to use in order to buy shares directly. So what you need to do is write offer documents in this manner, press enter, and you'll be directly linked to the website from where you can buy shares. You can read other information that is provided on this website. You can read their frequently asked questions. You can go on any other section of this website if you want to know other things, but this is directly if you want to buy bank shares. So as you can see, it's giving you the option to buy shares online. If you're an existing shareholder, you can check your shares and your rights from here. And if you want to buy shares right now, press on buy shares. Now there are easy steps that you need to follow in order to buy shares in Fidelity Bank. What you need to do is fill out any of these application forms and other documents that apply to you, and you need to head to your nearest bank in order to submit it and buy shares. Alternatively, what you can also do is fill these details and send them so they can put these in review and get in contact with you. So for example, you want to open the public offer application form. It will redirect you to that application. As you can see, you can read all of the terms and conditions right here, which they'll be displayed in each PDF that they've provided. And this is their entire page of details that you need to fill when you're filling in the application. You need to properly fill every single one of these details and submit them to the bank so they can put this in for review, and then you'll be able to officially buy shares from Fidelity Bank. You need to add your bank details, you need to add your application details, and you also need to add your signature, or if you have your thumbprint, you can also add that. And after submitting this, you'll have to wait and you'll be notified when you can buy shares. I hope this tutorial was easy to follow and you learned something new today. Subscribe for more tutorials like this.